All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and today I want to talk about something completely different. I'm getting ready to ride down the hill to go visit my local bike shop. It's called RecumbentPDX, and it is a trike exclusive shop. All they sell are trikes, and the owner, Mel, is putting together a festival here in Portland just for trikes. It's the first ever. It's called Pacific Trike Fest. It's on October 5th. It's here in Portland at the Portland Community College Sylvania campus, and it's an all-day event. And I'm very excited to be a part of this event. You know, for me, buying a trike is really one of the very best investments I have ever made. I bought my first trike about 15 years ago, and you know, I'm getting ready to do my 13th trike tour. My trike has taken me all over the world. I've been on 6 continents. I've been in over 20 countries. I've probably toured about 60,000 miles. And aside from going all over the world, I've lost about 100 pounds in body weight since I started triking. Having trikes in my life has made a huge positive change. And I'm very excited to be a part of Mel's Pacific Trike Fest. And he's going to have a lot of different trike manufacturers at this festival, and he's going to have vendors that make trike accessories, and there's going to be booths of people who cater to the triking community, like adaptive cycling. He's going to have 50 different trikes to try, and there's going to be a test track. And aside from that, he's going to have a raffle where you can win a brand new Catrike Eola. And in order to get entered into the raffle, you need to go to the website, pacifictrikefest.com. That's www.pacifictrikefest.com. Buy yourself a ticket to go to the festival, and you'll be automatically entered into the raffle to win a brand new Catrike Eola. And aside from all of that, I'm going to be giving a talk. I'm going to be talking about touring. I'm going to talk about how I got into touring, all the places I've been, and I'm going to have a slideshow of pictures from all the tours that I've done. And I'm also going to address probably the 2 biggest questions that I get. One, how do I deal with fear when I'm traveling? And also, how do I stay safe as a solo woman traveler? So I hope you guys can come to this event. It's October 5th at the Portland Community College Sylvania campus. It's an all-day event. And be sure to go to the website, www.pacifictrikefest.com, and get yourself a ticket. And now I'm going to head down the hill. We're going to go visit the shop, talk to Mel. He's going to give some more details about the festival. And we were talking about riding around the neighborhood, and I really want to show you guys his trike, which is a mobile videography machine. It is super impressive and a thing of beauty. You've really got to see this. So let's go down the hill. So I am here with Mel, the owner of RecumbentPDX.
Technically owned by the
And
owner.
we're outside the shop, and Mel has an HP Scorpion FS20. It's got electric assist, and he's got a video camera in his hand. And then he's got really a mobile videography trike going on here. He's got a video camera on a DJI Ronin gimbal here, and another one here. And then he's got a monitor for each one.
And then I control them off of here.
Right, so he's got controls for each of the video cameras in the back of the trike, and then he's got a controller for the electric assist here. So we're going to go for a ride, and Mel is going to talk to me about Trike Fest. We're going to do a little interview back and forth about what it is and why you should attend, and get all the details about Trike Fest, which is coming up in October. All right, so let's go for a ride.
Hi, I'm Mel with RecumbentPDX, and we are super excited to have Sylvia Halperin with Travels by Trike join us at the Pacific Trike Fest on October 5th here in Portland at Portland Community College's beautiful Sylvania campus. We are going to have over 50 demo trikes available for you to test ride. All our manufacturers will be there. And in fact, just by showing up and getting a ticket, you will be entered to win a Catrike Eola, which is a super fantastic trike. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a lot of great presentations, including Sylvia. And we look forward to having you there. For tickets, go to www.pacifictrikefest.com. We're super excited to see you there. Bye-bye.